Hi, it's Adam from Aladdin Appraisal with another episode of From the Appraiser's Desk. Real thoughts from real appraisals. So let's get into it. Buckle up, Boston agents, taking you for a ride. So this is the assessor's record for a property that's currently on the market. It's 36 Martin Street, West Roxbury. I circled the errors. 2 stories, 4 bedrooms. This is going to come in handy later. Just the assessment and sales record, which, as you know, pulls information from the assessor. So that's why this has a 4-bed. So this has 4 bedrooms here. This is also incorrect because it gets its information from the assessor, which is incorrect. See this 3rd floor here? We're going to talk about that. First of all, this is a 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath home, not a 4-bedroom. How do I know? Well, floor plan. Let me show you the photos. See, this is the attic. So bedroom, why aren't you labeling them? So on this 1st floor, you come in through the foyer, these unnamed rooms, we can figure out what they all are. This is the stair down to the basement, and this is the stair up. And I love these little doors where you can get outside there. That's pretty cool. From the basement. When you get up the stairs to the 2nd floor, you come out these winders, and you're in a hallway with a bath and 3 bedrooms. You go through this room to the stairs to go up to this 3rd floor level. So this could be a bedroom, because it's got the minimum 7 foot by 10 feet or 70 square feet minimum. You need 1 wall that's 7 feet. Don't need a closet. You need an egress window, which I assume this is it, and 7-foot ceiling height, which I'm pretty positive we have. But look at the photos. Stick with me here. Let me get to the 3rd floor. Not a bedroom. Just because you put a bed in there doesn't mean it's a bedroom. First of all, you have to walk through another room to get there. Second of all, no, that's it. You have to walk through a room to get there. That's the reason. Also, none of this is included in the square footage. That 1,688 square feet is the 1st and 2nd floor. So you're leaving some square feet on the table. Now, these aren't great square feet. And I don't know, we have this ANSI Z765 standard, and it gets difficult on the top floors. We need at least 7-foot headroom on at least 50% of the floor for the area to count as gross living area. I mean, it can still count, but is it categorized as GLA depends on those metrics. Plus, this knee wall is probably 4 feet, so I'm going to drop my laser here and shoot from here to there and get the width. The length is the full length, but all those square feet aren't being counted. So am I making the case to hire an appraiser to measure your property and do pre-listing appraisals? Of course I am, but I can't do them all. These things I want to teach so that you'll know when you are listing homes. Don't break rule number 1. Do not leave square feet on the table. Thank you for listening. Good luck out there. Thanks for watching. And whether you're an agent guiding clients or handling a deal yourself without an agent, if a question comes up about real estate values or appraisals or square footage, reach out to the team at Aladdin. That's what we're here for. And if this was helpful, please do me a favor and subscribe, like, or share wherever you're watching. It genuinely helps us reach more people, and I would really appreciate that. See you on the next one.